we bought it last year, Mark, and we've no complaints with it. Bought a bigger loader there 2 years ago, 120H Volvo, so we said we probably need to get a bigger fork for it, and we went up to Donny and ProDig, and we liked the ProDig, and we bought that 16-foot Mammoth, and no complaints as yet anyway. It was really well priced. I bought the loader, that L120H off Cahill Coogan, and Cahill to be selling a bit of ProDig stuff, and I think I mentioned to him about a buck rake there one day, and he came back to me with this, and he gave me a nice price for me own old one. So as I said, we went up then and looked at it, and we liked it, so I thought it was really well priced towards other competitors. My old fork was a 14-foot, but she had very sharp prongs, whereas the ProDig, I think they're 7 foot long. I have a loader that's good enough or big enough to use that 16-foot, so without a doubt, like you're definitely shifting more grass than you would with the smaller buck rake. It definitely takes the pressure off, but there's no doubt the lad that's on the pit, or any pit for a contractor, there's pressure on the whole time. But it definitely really is easing it a bit with the bigger loader and the bigger fork. 100% is bound to be, because sure, you're taking more grass every time, and you have less tidying up to do as you have a bigger fork. So and I'm lucky enough that a lot of my yards are fairly big, so we're able to use the Mammoth in every job that I have. It looks like a strong build. As I said, no complaints. I think there was a bit modified from previous years where they might have been a bit weaker in places, and that's all modified. And as I said, we've a season done with it. We're just started our second season, and I'm happy with the fork. But yeah, I've no problem with it strength wise. And yeah, it's very manoeuvrable on the road for a 16-foot fork. They've made lovely that it folds in tidier than the loader itself. Yeah, and if you're working in a narrow pit, of course you have that opportunity to work it closed in, you know. If a lad rang me and asked me about the Mammoth that he was thinking about buying one, I couldn't dock it. I'd have to, all I can say is what I've got, how well I've got on with it, and as I said, I thought it was really well priced to its competitors. I'd 100% back it and say that it would be worth buying.